Now let's change gears and talk about VinFast, because the Vietnamese electric car maker made its stock market debut on the Nasdaq on Tuesday, and it was a day to remember. Its shares rose over 200% in a single day, meaning the company is now valued at $85 billion dollars, which is more than Ford and General Motors. It is that high. Live now to Singapore then, where our Asia business reporter Katie Silver joins us. Katie, tell us more about this company.
Yeah, so it perhaps may well be a company you've never heard of, but its shares rose about 255%. And that $85 billion figure that you mentioned, that means it's now worth more than, or almost double that of General Motors. But really, one of the real winners of yesterday was its founder and chairman. He made $40 billion in a single day on this listing. And in fact, the regulatory findings, according to those, it says that he controlled about 99% of the shares at the start of the day. And we did see very slim trades, only about $185 million being traded, and therefore you can see these large swings that I mentioned, this 255% surge. What it does also do is it shows the excitement that continues to exist around electric vehicles, and it does add fuel to rumours that the competitor to the United States, which of course has been the dominant player in this field, may well come from a low-cost East Asian country. And in fact, many are very bullish on Vietnam, in part because it lacks the geopolitical baggage of somewhere like China, and it does have a very advanced manufacturing sector. But it must be said the company hasn't made a profit yet. And in fact, last year, it only made 11,000 cars. That compares to about 900,000 cars being made by its competitors such as Tesla. But it does have a big backing, and the problem for many electric vehicle startups is it costs a lot of money before you can get these cars to generate anything like a profit. And so therefore these deep pockets, because of being owned by one of Vietnam's largest conglomerates, may well help it get through and see a profit, Mark.
Katie, thank you so much. Katie Silver there for us live in Singapore.